So guys, GlideAjax is actually a client-side API which is used to execute server-side script from the client side. It's a client-side API. Client side. Okay. We'll see one example so that you will be able to understand it better. For making you understand better, for making you understand better, I am creating few more fields. Okay. Here in the related records, incident is there, right? Below the incident field, I am creating two more fields. Incident short description, incident description. Remember, incident short description, incident description. Okay. The incident short description, incident description. I just want to show under related records. Okay. Whenever the incident is selected, incident short description and incident description should be automatically populated. Whenever we select the incident here, the incident short description should be populated and incident description should be populated here. Incident short description. See, incident short description should appear on the top. Save this one. So if you remember, these incidents are actually stored in the incident table. Okay. These incidents are stored in the incident table. Whenever you select an incident, okay, we can design the fields using form layout also, guys. What my point is, whenever I select an incident from here, the incident short description should be populated here. Incident has incident short description, right? No short description, only description is there. The incident short description should be populated here and incident description should be populated here. Okay. So whenever we change the value on a incident field, whenever we change the value on a incident field, okay, whenever we select the incident field, the onChange client script will run and it has to fetch incident short description and incident description from the incident table in the database. For that, I am writing an onChange client script on the incident field. Right click configure client scripts. Allow me a minute, guys. Okay. OnChange client script on incident field. OnChange client script on incident field. Okay. Fine. Well, here, guys, we can use get reference. We can use GlideAjax. Which one you want me to use? Which one you want me to use, guys? GlideAjax. So I have to use GlideAjax. If I have to use GlideAjax, what should I do? Okay. So I am creating a script include. We have already created a script include, right? We will make use of this one. So instead of creating a new script include, in the same script include, I am creating a method here. Hmm? Okay. So guys, here we have to query incident table. Why do we have to query incident table? Here we are referencing incident data. That is why we are querying the incident table. We have to query with the system ID. Why do we have to query with the system ID? Whenever you get the value using g underscore form dot get value, you will get the system ID of the incident. You will get the system ID of the incident. That is why we will query with the system ID here. So here what I am doing is this dot get parameter. This param underscore inc. Okay. Getting my point? So what are the details we want? We want a short description. We want a description. For that, I see I can pass this short description in two ways. One is using array. One is using string. Another one is using object also. Understand my point? First, how to send this short description and description. How to send this short description and description using this uh, string where inc details is equal to empty. Inc details is equal to gr dot get value short description plus here you have to use some delimiter. So delimiter, I am using some unique delimiter here. This one has delimiter I am using here. Gr dot get value description. Okay. So return incident details. Getting my point, right? This is the delimiter. What do we do here? We will write a GlideAjax. We take the script include name, sparum anc. Here you have to use g underscore form dot get value u_incident. Okay. Getting mobile. So here in the response, you will receive it as a string where inc is equal to response dot split. So you have to split it using this delimiter, not this delimiter. This delimiter. Okay. Then g underscore form dot set value u underscore inc underscore inc dot inc dot not dot inc of index 0. This string will be converted as an array, right? Array first index I am passing in the incident short description. Okay. So whenever the incident is empty, incident value, field value is empty, we'll set these two field values empty. Okay. So I'm just refreshing the form now. Okay. Scroll down. I'm selecting an incident number here. The incident short description and incident description is populated here. So incident short description is coming as null. That is because incident field value, incident short description field value might be empty. Okay. Okay. Incident field value might be empty. So instead of getting null, just use why are you getting null and all? Null is a data type. Because in the database, incident field value is empty. That is why you are getting null value. Again, this description is null. If the incident value is there, incident description is there, description is getting populated. If the incident has no short description, it is not populating anything. Getting my point? There are so many incidents, guys, here. There are so many incidents. We'll find a incident which has short description and description both, and we'll select that incident. Use a filter here. Short description is not empty. Is not empty. And is not empty. Both short description and description. Incident has incident short description, right? That incident short description is populated. Incident has incident description, right? That incident description is also populated here. Okay. So we are getting the values from the scripting to the client side in the string format. In the string format. Okay. What if you have 10 values? What if you have 10 values? So if it is two short description, it is fine. I want the incident caller, incident short description, incident description. Okay. Incident category, incident subcategory, all the values should come. Okay. So in that case, what we will do? Hmm? Either we can use array or object. We will now use array here. This is array. Okay. So here, guys, this is array, right? Array, you cannot directly pass. You have to convert that as a string. Then what I do? JSON dot stringify. This array will be converted as a string. Or we can use, instead of using JSON.stringify, or else you can also use .toStringify. You getting my point? ToString. This is better, right? What happens? All the elements will be separated with a comma. We can use delimiter here. Guys, do you remember in the short description and description is a string type of field? There will be lot of commas. There will be lot of full stops. So instead of using .toString, we'll use .join method. .join, join using this special character. What are we doing now? We are actually converting array into string. We are separating it using this one. And this logic will work. We are getting anyhow in the string format, right? We'll split it using this particular 3 caret symbols, and will again that will be converted as an array. First index will go to short description, second index will go to description. First we directly used string. Then what we have done, we have used array. You're able to get it or not? Hmm? You're able to get it, right? First, what we have used a string. We have actually splitted that. We have used a delimiter, and then we passed that string and we splitted that and converted as an array. We are passing into short description and description. Then what we have done, we have used directly array here. Again, we converted that array into string. We have taken an array here. In the array, we have stored a short description value. And then we converted that as a string using join method. Okay, using this delimiter. And here you are getting it in a string format. Again, that you are splitting it using this one. And first index you are passing into the NC short description. Second index you are passing into the NC description. So, and also instead of that, you can also use object as well. Okay. First we have used a string, then we have used object. Dot SD is equal to, you have to use get value here, guys. NC details. So here you have an object, right? If you want to pass objects directly, you won't be able to pass objects directly. You have to convert object into string using JSON dot stringify. Okay. These keys you have to remember, SD, DES. So what you will do, you will actually get it in the string format. You have to convert that as an object, right? Again, so you have to use JSON dot parse. JSON dot parse respond. Okay. So inc dot SD, nc dot DES. Okay. Getting my point? Earlier it was a array. Now it is an object. I'm just refreshing the form now. You can see. Hmm? So what are we doing? We have created an unchanged client script on the incident field. We are calling the script include through the GlideAjax and calling this method inside the script include. We are passing incident system ID. We are executing the server side script. We are getting the response in a asynchronous way. That response we are actually getting it in a string format. Again, we are converting that as an object. From that object, we are taking SD and description keys and populating in these two fields. You are able to understand, right? So similarly, here just below the problem field, create two fields, problem short description and problem description. Let me create those two. Okay. So similarly, guys, on the form, whenever we select the problem number, problem short description should be populated here and problem description should be populated here. So now I am writing unchanged client script on the problem field. Okay. So here I just changed the field names. Here it should be u underscore problem. So here what I am doing is I am actually creating another method that is actually get problem details. Uh, No need to change anything. Just change this parameter here in the client script. and just change this method name in the client script. Just refreshing this one. As soon as I select the problem, so we are getting undefined here. Why are we getting undefined and all? We have to debug it. U underscore problem. Problem details. Problem has short description. It should populate at least the short description, right? Short description and description. It is right. Okay. This problem has description or not, we'll check. This problem has no description. So whenever I select a problem here, it is actually fetching problem details from the database and it is populating on the form or not. Hmm? So likewise, can you populate, change short description and change the description in this particular by creating two fields? You can create two fields under change below the change request field. Change short description and change short description should be populated on those two fields. So similarly, create a requested item, create two fields under requested item. Requested item short description and requested item description. Let me select one requested item here. The requested item has So below the request item field, what you can do is requested for, and request. So you have to create two fields, requested for, request. Those are two reference fields. Request will be referencing SC underscore request table. Below the requested item field, you have to create a field called request. It is a reference to SC underscore request table. SC underscore request table. And create a requested for field, which is also reference, which should be referencing sys underscore user table. Sys underscore user table. Okay. So create these two fields. As soon as you select the requested item, request should be automatically populated. Requested for should be automatically populated. So I have given you two tasks, guys. One is below the change request, create two fields. One is change short description, change description. Whenever you select the change short description, description should be automatically get populated. Whenever this field is empty, change short description and description should be removed. And similarly, whenever you select the requested item, request number and requested for should be automatically populated. That is the task for today, guys. Okay. Any questions from anyone? Guys? So GlideAjax is better comparatively in past. You are able to understand GlideAjax clearly. Anil, go ahead, please. Anil.
Yeah, Uday, actually what we have done is, as per now, we have populating the one option only, right? Suppose if you are selecting the incident, we have showing the description or something short description we are showing here. In the past examples also, we are taken the only one value. Are we able to do like the same thing? If I'm selecting the assignment group, I need to fill the assign to if reference field is there, right? I need to filter. Is there any possibility like that?
So that is a reference qualifier, right? Based on the assignment group, you want to populate assigned to values.
Yes. Filtering option I am saying. We're using the GlideAjax. Is it possible, Uday?
So using GlideAjax, it is possible. Using GlideAjax, it is possible.
Yeah, why I'm asking is based on this one, I need to filter the users in the assigned to.
See, for that, why do we have to use GlideAjax? We have dependent field option is there. We have our advanced reference qualifier is option is there. Why do we have to for unchanged line script GlideAjax and all?
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yes. Yeah, most probably in this scenarios only we are using, right, Uday, in the actual industry also, like showing the details like that.
Yes.
Okay. And another thing, they actually, while I am observing, if you are navigating to the dictionary or something, if we are clicking on the configure and if you are going to the design or layout form, in the URL is changed to u shipping case something, right? Yeah, can you click on the form design? Yeah, if you are observing here, form is changed and it is navigated to the another URL, right? I mean, in the code level also, we are able to implement these things. So if I want to navigate from problem to the change request.
Yes, we can. That we will be discussing anyhow.
Okay. Okay.
That we'll be discussing anyhow.
Okay. Thank you, Uday.
How to navigate it and all, I'll show you.
Okay.
Okay, G underscore navigation dot open, and we have to provide the problem URL so that it will be
Yeah,
navigate.
yeah. And another thing, Uday, we have the assignment groups and assign it to is there, right?
Hmm.
Actually, I mean, I didn't implemented that functionality. If a user is clicked on the assignment group, I am filter the assign to, right? With the help of the advanced qualifier, we are able to do. Suppose if I am adding the new user in the assign to, I am adding the new user.
Hmm.
Is it automatically added to that group, to the assignment group? Actually, I didn't see that value added to the assignment group.
See, firstly, whenever we select a group here, only we will
Yes,
show group related group members here in the assign to.
yes, yes, it's correct.
Okay. So let us say first instead of selecting the group, you selected the assign to here.
Okay.
Instead of group, you selected the assign to here. Okay. So that you are able to see all the users here, right?
Yes, yes, Uday.
All ITIL users, right? So when you
Yes.
select a user here, this user is member of which particular group? Only those groups we should show here. Getting my point?
Yes, Uday. My doubt is not this one. I am selecting the assignment group
Okay.
and I am adding the new user to assign it to.
Okay.
My doubt is this user added to the assignment group automatically, that assignment group?
No. This user will not be added to the assignment group automatically. So
Yeah.
I
Okay.
am
Yeah.
hold on.
Continue.
So you have selected a group here and you are creating a new user account from here. Is that what you are asking?
Yes. 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 It's correct.
No, it won't create a um, it won't add the member in the group. Okay. Okay, you open the group here. You see Anil is actually added in the group or not? Added in the group or not? Anil added in the group.
No.
So then that user won't be able to appearing here. That user should not appear here.
Okay. Uday. I mean, maybe this is not correct question. If I want to implement same functionality, if I want to assign to, based on that group, I need to add. I mean, I
Well,
have that requirement. Is it possible from the service now? I mean, are we able to do that functionality? Are we able to implement?
what is that requirement?
Yeah, just now what we have done is assign it to is I have created just now. In
Hmm.
the what is the selected the group, I need to assign this user to that group. Just now I have created, right?
So whenever you select a um, whenever you create a user account from here and you want to automatically add that member to the group.
Yes, yes. Which group I have selected previously, right? That group I need to add.
Hmm. This is actually a user list, right? This is a
Yes,
user list.
yes. This is user only. That is a something sys underscore user group is there another table.
Hmm.
I mean groups table. I'm saying. Understood, right?
Yeah,
What I'm asking.
I understand your question. Whenever you create
Yes,
the
yes.
user account here, which is not there in the group, and once you create a user account, that should be automatically added to the group. Okay.
Yes, yes. What is I have selected in the above?
Hmm. Here you are creating the user account. Hmm.
Maybe
Yeah,
now we are
yeah.
not using. Sometimes it will require, right? That's why I'm asking.
Anil, listen to me, Anil. Only you are trying to speak. Let me answer you. So definitely this is possible. How is that possible? Is that whenever we create a user account here, okay? Whenever we create a user account here, that user account will be selecting here, right? Then immediately on change client script will run. When on change client script run, we will check this particular member is already part of this particular group or not. If not, we will add him to the group. Possible.
Okay. Yes, yes. Okay.
So we will create a user account. And after creating the user account, we will add him here, right? Then on change client script will run, right? In the on change client script, we will check the selected member is part of this particular group or not. If not, we will add him to the group.
Okay.
This is possible.
Okay. I will try to implement that one. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Anil, you are always trying to speak. You are not letting me speak, Anil.
Sorry, Uday.
Anil has so many query to you, right? Uday?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Can I ask Uday, right? So what
You can ask.
happened? Yeah. So what happened yesterday? I attended interview internally in my organization. So
Hmm.
these guys basically asked so many questions because I said that I have close to 2 years of experience. Okay.
Hmm.
So they ask to me like what you have done in the customization side. So
Hmm.
here
Hmm.
basically I didn't say so what I was supposed to say at that moment, and they ask like did do you have any knowledge in the HTML side?
Hmm.
So I don't basically say anything, but I say, yeah, I work on the front end, so I know a little bit about HTML. So I didn't
Hmm.
understand why these guys basically ask this type of question. And one more question, he asked to me like, what do you have any knowledge in the ITOM? Because
Hmm.
I mentioned like I basically I work on the operation management side as well. So basically what I have to respond at that moment.
So, firstly, you should answer them that I have pretty much good experience in ServiceNow core platform.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And when it comes to the IT operations management in ServiceNow, I did not get chance to work on it in my 2 years experience.
Okay.
See, in 2 years experience, nobody will get chance to work on operations management.
Okay.
So you should tell them that okay, within my 2 years experience, I didn't get chance to work on operations management. I have got chance to work on core platform.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So unfortunately, we are actually only we have covered only half of the part now. But still, you gave your interview with the client. Looks like okay. Definitely give it a try. That's not a problem. We
Mm-hmm.
have covered only half of the part.
Okay.
Still, half of the part is remaining.
Okay. And what about the customization side? Why basically that guy asked me about the customization? So what basically he wanted to understand from my side? Like
So
he
customizations in the sense, let us say here um, in the farm from the shipping case, he might ask you to create a incident record from here.
okay.
So like we create a problem from the incident, right? From
Correct.
the shipping case, we have to create a incident record directly from here.
Okay.
In the incident form, we'll click on create problem and the problem will be created, right? So
Mm-hmm.
similarly, whenever we click on create incident, it has to create a incident record in the incident table. So this is a customization. This is already not there, right? Getting my
Mm-hmm.
point. And
Okay.
similarly, here, whenever we select a incident value here, incident chart description should be populated. This is also a customization.
Okay. Okay.
So table creation and fields creation and form design, these all are configurations. Configurations means which is already there, you are adding it. Customizations means which is not already there, you are actually writing it. You are doing the development.
Okay.
Okay. So we have just started discussing customizations. Okay.
Okay. And what about the HTML part? Is there any role on the HTML for in the service now?
So guys, there is a topic called service portal. That's a separate course. In that service portal, they use HTML. I think they might ask you, they might have asked you regarding service portal, I believe. But normally in ServiceNow, we don't use HTML. Okay, there is a concept called service portal. In the service portal, yes,
That is the thing you're speaking about.
yeah, service portal.
Okay, Uday. Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks for your reply. Yeah.
Yeah, no worries, guys.